talking about the Artist Hand Store desk and chair set for girls. This desk and chair set can be adjusted and it has a lot of different features, and Maddie is going to help us demonstrate the various different features that this desk has. The brand sent this product to us for free. One of those features, you can see her working in the background, is a touch lamp that has different color temperatures and also different brightnesses of the lamp. As you can see, this is a desk and chair set. They are not built together. This desk chair set is made out of durable metal and steel. The chair frame is very sturdy and strong, as well as the desk. This desk does require assembly, so you will need to take a little time assembling this. Book stand right here where Maddie can put her paper or book up on there so that she can read or look at it. It has a place for her pens and pencils so that she can place her pens, pencils, or markers there. This has a light, as you see right here, and it is an adjustable light. It has different color temperatures and different brightnesses. Also comes with this base right here, which if you don't want to use this on the desk, you can use this lamp somewhere else. And this does plug into the wall, so you see the cord that runs over there. And so let's just go ahead and put that in here. That is how that works in this base stand. Each side of this has a rotating knob. We can loosen it. And what happens when we loosen this knob is this desk can tilt up to 40 degrees. If she wants to read or write or do something that requires an incline, she can easily do that. Since she's drawing right now, we're just gonna loosen this and drop it back down. All right. Also, this has a pull-out drawer underneath. Let's see this drawer. Oh, where she can store additional supplies. When she needs them, she can pull them out. This desk also has a really cool hook here on the side so that she can hang her backpack. Another thing you can hang right here, instead of hanging a bag, if you had a water bottle, you can also hang a water bottle right here on this hook. And one of my favorite things about this is that you can literally adjust this chair and adjust this desk. There's a bar down here in the very center, right down there, that you just step on. You lift the desk all the way up, and then that is how you lower it. So you go to the bottom. So that right there is as low as it goes. And you compare that to the chair, and you can actually have like a 3-year-old all the way to like a 10, 11, or 12-year-old use this desk. And look, you can do the same thing to the chair. So on the chair, it's the same thing. You just step on the bar, lift it up, and let it drop all the way down. Too high. That's a big difference from one size to the other size. You've used this desk for a couple weeks now, about a week now. So what is it that you like about the desk?
I really like the lamp. You can brighten it. You can change it different colors. That's what I like about it. Also like this paper holder. I can put my notebook there.
It's like a book stand.
Yep. And I can draw.
That is the Artist Hand Store girls desk with pink and white. It's the adjustable desk with the lamp, the book stand, the pen holder, the drawer, and all the adjustable stuff. This is pretty neat. Well, Maddie, do you like this?
Yes, I love it.